Avalanche value equivalent to $35.7905 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $35.2388, $36.4923. The earlier day close: $35.5724. The change was plus 0.2181, plus 0.61%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Avax. Avalanche estimate for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $42.26. Exorbitant cost $52.45, while low cost $42.26. The normal for the month $46.50. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $49.02, change for April 16.0%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at $49.02. Excessive cost $60.84, while low cost $49.02. The normal for the month $53.94. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $56.86, change for May 16.0%. Avalanche gauge for June 2024. To start with cost at $56.86. Exorbitant cost $61.96, while low cost $53.86. The normal for the month $57.65. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $57.91, change for June 1.8%. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $57.91. Exorbitant cost $64.45, while low cost $56.01. The normal for the month $59.65. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $60.23, change for July 4.0%. Avalanche figure for August 2024. Initially cost at $60.23. Excessive cost $64.70, while low cost $56.24. The normal for the month $60.41. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $60.47, change for August 0.4%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at $60.47. Excessive cost $65.95, while low cost $57.33. The normal for the month $61.35. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $61.64, change for September 1.9%. Avalanche estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $61.64. Exorbitant cost $68.60, while low cost $59.62. The normal for the month $63.49. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $64.11, change for October 4.0%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at $64.11. Excessive cost $69.20, while low cost $60.14. The normal for the month $64.53. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $64.67, change for November 0.9%. Avalanche figure for December 2024. Initially cost at $64.67. Excessive cost $71.87, while low cost $62.47. The normal for the month $66.55. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $67.17, change for December 3.9%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at $67.17. Exorbitant cost $74.26, while low cost $64.54. The normal for the month $68.84. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $69.40, change for January 3.3%. Avalanche figure for February 2025. Initially cost at $69.40. Excessive cost $86.14, while low cost $69.40. The normal for the month $76.36. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $80.50, change for February 16.0%. Avalanche cost expectation for WALK 2025. In the first place cost at $80.50. Exorbitant cost $89.58, while low cost $77.86. The normal for the month $82.92. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $83.72, change for spring 4.0%. Avalanche estimate for April 2025. To start with, cost at $83.72. Exorbitant cost $93.16, while low cost $80.98. The normal for the month $86.23. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $87.07, change for April 4.0%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2025. Before all else, cost at $87.07. Excessive cost $104.42, while low cost $87.07. The normal for the month $94.04. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $97.59, change for May 12.1%. Avalanche conjecture for June 2025. At the outset, cost at $97.59. Excessive cost $97.59, while low cost $81.56. The normal for the month $91.11. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $87.70, change for June 10.1%. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2025. Before all else, cost at $87.70. Excessive cost $87.70, while low cost $68.51. The normal for the month $79.40. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $73.67, change for July 16.0%. Avalanche figure for August 2025. Initially cost at $73.67. Excessive cost $91.44, while low cost $73.67. The normal for the month $81.06. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $85.46, change for August 16.0%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset, cost at $85.46. Excessive cost $85.46, while low cost $66.76. The normal for the month $77.37. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $71.79, change for September 16.0%. Avalanche estimate for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at $71.79. Exorbitant cost $71.79, while low cost $56.08. The normal for the month $64.99. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $60.30, change for October 16.0%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at $60.30. Exorbitant cost $60.30, while low cost $47.10. The normal for the month $54.59. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $50.65, change for November 16.0%. Avalanche gauge for December 2025. To start with, cost at $50.65.